Here are Jane and Colin in the park doing exercises. They're trying to get fit. If they spent less time on their phones and more time doing sport, they would be fitter. Let's watch them and go over the parts of the body. We'll look at the upper parts of their bodies first. There's the head, neck, shoulder, arm, elbow, wrist, and hand. Each hand has 4 fingers and a thumb. Look, Jane is waving her hand. Under the shoulders, there's the chest, and then the waist before we get to the stomach, then the hips and legs. Each leg has a thigh, a knee, a calf, an ankle, and then the foot with 5 toes. Colin can kick his leg really high. Colin is so fit he can also bend his back and touch his toes. If Jane were fitter, she could do the same, but she can only touch her knees. Come on, Jane, keep going. If she did these exercises every day, she would soon be as fit as Colin. Now let's practice and repeat the words again. Head, neck, shoulder, arm, elbow, wrist, hand, fingers, thumb, chest, waist, stomach, hips, legs, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, foot, toes, and back.